This is the trunk of the car. So from this level, you can see how much snow has piled up. So the official record was 26.4, I think. We are trying to clean out of it now.
Okay.
That's about it. Work, more shoveling. Haha, lots of fun.
Okay. We used to have a
A
pathway to the house. What happened to that?
It's totally at this nose. It's
Okay.
I would say 50, don't you think?
Huh?
I don't know, maybe a little below my hips.
Okay. We used to have a car here. It's now white in color. Okay. All right. So that's the front of the house. Can you walk through the snow and just take a photograph and come back?
Are you kidding me?
Okay.
I can try.
Wait.
I can also take
I just cleared that part this morning a little bit to allow the light to come through. Otherwise, we have been having like this. The windows have been blocked, and you can see Mukund's room there. So, the big pile sitting there, which can all turn into ice very soon.